I doom scroll in my room at 2 a.m., my For You page flooded with videos about mental health, teen depression, and the difference between anxiety and depression. People keep saying you're not alone, but no matter how hard I try, I can't help but feel alone. Even in a crowded room, the loneliness lingers. I smile on the outside, but inside, I'm falling apart. I don't know who I am. I try to picture who I want to be, but all I do is daydream, creating random scenarios in my head, none of them truly me. I pause on a video explaining the difference between anxiety and depression, trying to figure out which one I have. Maybe both, maybe neither. No matter how much I think about it, I don't feel understood. I don't even understand myself. The line between my dreams and reality blurs. I catch myself turning to AI, wondering if it can understand me better than people do. But how can anyone understand me when I don't even understand myself? Maybe it's my mindset. Maybe if I changed it, things would get better. But nothing helps. So I'll keep smiling, pretending everything is fine, carrying the weight of this pain in silence. It's hard, yet somehow, I've done it for years. Let's see how many more.